Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. Today we're going to be making a healthy green salad with an amazing avocado dressing. This is a 4-ingredient salad. The first one is lettuce, which is a good source of fiber and iron and may help to revitalize the skin. I have sanitized my lettuce off camera with vinegar and water. I'm just going to pour into the sieve to drain out the excess water. Next up is cucumbers. I have also sanitized it prior. The cucumbers contain essential vitamins and minerals and help to keep the body hydrated. The third is freshly cleansed rocket leaves, which are rich in chlorophyll and contain vitamins and minerals that protect the body against diseases. The fourth is a green apple, which is rich in calcium and promotes the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. I'm also going to chop the lettuce. So I'm just going to assemble everything together in a plate. Now, let's make our amazing green salad dressing. To my blender, I'm going to add garlic cloves, spring onion, fresh coriander leaves, black peppercorns, white wine vinegar, oil, preferably olive oil, lime juice, avocado, and salt. And I'm going to blend it all together. And I'm going to pour the green dressing generously on my salad. And voila guys, you have a healthy green salad with an amazing green avocado dressing. This green salad was amazing guys. It was so yum. It is so nutritious and easy to make at home. So thanks for watching guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a nice comment. What do you think? Are you gonna make this salad? Also, don't forget to share the video and subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!